And as hospitals across the island continue to burst at the seams with COVID-19 patients, in St. Anne, there's a desperate search for space to transfer persons who have been abandoned at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. Shamela Pullen has the details.
On March 1, St. Anne topped the list for the parish with the most new COVID-19 cases. 67 people were confirmed with the virus. And with more people being hospitalized as a result, the resources at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital are running thin. The lack of hospital bed space at the facility is compounded by the fact that there are a number of people living there. They have been abandoned by their relatives.
We currently have about 4 to 6 social cases. As my SMO would have mentioned to me earlier, that we have 4 permanent. And permanent meaning those are places that we can't find relatives to take them. And so they become our responsibility.
Maxine Sutton is the senior social worker at the hospital. She says the hospital has been trying to find accommodation for these persons. They have had to at times travel outside the parish to find suitable placement.
We go in various areas. We go across the parishes. We go to St. Mary if needs be. We go to Trelawney. We go to Clarendon and other places. Sometimes even Kingston we reach trying to beg placement for clients. So it takes us all over. Through the corners of St. Anne.
Ms. Sutton says people oftentimes abandon their relatives at hospitals because they are unable to care for them. But there are other options.
You can go to Path, you can go to Poor Relief, you can even come to us, the social workers at the hospital. And yes, you can come to the hospital and discuss your case, tell us your situation and your problems, and we'll help you to seek out a way that you can resolve the issues. But please, don't take them to the hospital and just leave them, because it's going to affect you, it's going to affect your family, and it's going to affect all of us. Because when they're here, then the bed space is used up. And remember, this is an hospital, and we cater for sick people.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.